Hi everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle MOOC 12. We are in week 5 and now I'm going to tell you how I can add a badge to the course. As you know, my course is English for Academic Purposes, EAP, and is divided to 4 parts. Students from 4 subjects come to my course and each of them have 2 weeks of EAP. So for each of these groups of students, a badge is issued after completion of all these tasks, including quiz. Well, I've designed some badges with Canva using the colors issued by the instructors to their courses, the acronym of the name of the course, the logo, the name of my course, EAP, and also subject of the students. Now let's see how we can add one of these badges to the course. First of all, we come to administration, come to badges. Below badges, we've got manage badge and add a new badge. Let's go to add a new badge. First of all, we need to add a name. For instance, IT students task completion. Okay, now I need to add a description too. At the moment I copy this part. Later we can develop a more complete description, and here we should drag and drop the file or choose a file. And as you see, the format of the files can be of these categories. So let's choose the image. I've got these for EAP IT for IT students. Let's upload it and see what else we should do. Okay, now as you see, the file is uploaded here. We've got the name. Yes, these are part of the default of this course, and I'm not gonna make any changes in the date of expiry. I want to leave it open. So let's create the badge, and then we should go to see how to manage it and create some criteria for it. Well, the badge is added now and we can manage it here. The overview is here. As you see, we can see its details. We can add some criteria here, but first of all, we should go to the main tab for criteria. We can edit some of these details if we want, but let's go to criteria. Manual issue by role, course completion, activity completion. The first thing that is important for me is activity completion, because I want my students to complete some activities. So first I add this one, and then the activities are here. I should go for the part related to information technology. These are related to many other sections related to other parts, other courses. Okay, snapshots of mathematics. computer science. Okay. As you see, the parts related to computer science or information technology begins here. The first part is the label. The snapshot is not something that I force students to complete because it's just getting some idea. But after below week 5, I'm not gonna make any change in label. In the chat, introducing how computers work. I take this one. Your digital footprint, the URL. Yes, again, I take this one. Again, label is not, it's not an activity. The other 2 URLs of reading and also the forum are ticked. I'm not gonna tick the feedback because it's something that students should feel free to show their ideas, but quiz is important for me and I take it. So let's save these changes. I want these activities, all these activities to be completed before getting the badge, but here it says any of the following activities. I should look for somewhere to allow me to change this any to all these activities. Let's see if we can go to edit details. It's not here. We can change it later too when we are overviewing it in managing area, in managing badges. So now I want to add another criteria. So activities are here. Manual issue by role. I want to add this one. And whose role? I want to choose any of these roles. Any of these people can issue the badge. This criterion is completed when all of the selected roles or any of the selected roles. I want to choose any of the selected roles, which is also selected by default. I'm not going to add any more description here. Let's save it. Okay, now let's go through this part. This badge is awarded when all of these selected criteria or any of the selected criteria. I want it to be chosen when all of the selected criteria are complete. Let's go to this setting to see if we can make any change in this part. Okay, we have already ticked these parts. Yes, I should look for this one. The criterion is completed when all of these selected activities are complete. Good. So now the problem is solved. Now the badge is ready, but not necessarily available and available and accessible for students. If students come to the course and do the activities, they need to have access to this badge. So I need to enable their access. Okay, and then I should confirm it. Good. Now it seems that everything is set. Activity completion, all of the following activities. Manual issue, the badge has to be awarded by the user with any of the following roles. Good. Now let's go to manage badges to see if we should do something else. As you see here, we've got some badges available in this course, and I have recently added this one. Okay, the criteria are here. This is available to users. The appearance is available here. Now that this eye is not crossed with a line, means that it is available and accessible for users. Award badge. Now I can award people badge, and I can make some changes in the setting here. I can copy it and I can delete it. So this badge is now added to the course. I can go back to the course and see who is going to win it. Of course, there is no longer not a student here now, but in the future, when students come, they want to see the badge. This is the course. Okay, students can go through these activities and win the badge. They may want to go to this part, navigation, go to the badges and see their badge ready to be awarded. Okay, this is the badge that they may want to gain. Thank you so much for your attention to this part. Have a nice time. Goodbye.